The last task inside Network Services 2, task 11, further learning. We have here some things that might be useful to read after completing this room, if it is interest to you. We have from Red Hat and NextGov. Here we have an appendix, right? We have an appendix for, as we can see here, common exploits and attacks. All right, and common ports also, at least with most common ports. Pretty cool. So you can check from Red Hat documentation. You can check not only the appendix, but also a lot of other things. And from NSA warns of vulnerabilities in multiple VPN services, which is an article where inside you have also further information to read. All right. Thank you. Thanks for taking the time to work through this room. I wish you the best of luck in the future. Polo, the creator of this page, Polo Mints. Thank you, Polo Mints, for this awesome room. This is complete. Let's see what do we have to do next. Next, we have web hacking fundamentals. We have the burp suit, the basics. Amazing. Can't wait to do that. By the way, I have all the videos that I do on TryHackMe. I have everything under the TryHackMe playlist and TryHackMe Shorts playlist, where you can check any video that I've done so far, and I intend to do all the learning paths on TryHackMe. All right, so until the next one, take care.